resist you? What good is there in trying? What good is there denying? You're all that I desire. Since first I kissed you, my heart was yours complete.
Thank you for watching Amazing Time Capsule. Don't forget to like, follow, and share. If you love our content, please send stars. Your support helps us make more videos like this.